Hi, I'm Tom Henriksen from the DevOps Online Summit. Welcome to our Community Promoter Spotlight. Today we have with us Jacqueline Salinas from the CD Foundation. Jacqueline, introduce yourself to the people here at the DevOps Online Summit.
Tom, thank you so much for having us. I'm Jacqueline Salinas, Director of Ecosystem and Community Development for the CD Foundation.
Excellent, excellent. So Jacqueline, it's great to have you with us. You're with the CD Foundation, and I have to give a nod to a mutual friend. Tracy Reagan told me about the CD Foundation, I think it was about a year or so ago, and I think it's a great thing, but tell us about what it is. What is the CD Foundation?
Yeah, of course. So the CD Foundation is a community of open source that, our goal is to help improve the world's software delivery with security and speed. And so, our goal is to help organizations figure out how to become high-performing software delivery organizations, but also making sure that they leverage or how to leverage open source. That's kind of the CDF in a niche.
Excellent, excellent. So the CD Foundation, how did it come about?
So, it was before my time. I was not part of the original, I guess we'll call them four. Yeah, five. But yeah, four, the original four. I think Tracy Miranda is somebody who was a big proponent of forming the CD Foundation. That, when the CD Foundation was being formed, she was with CloudBees.
Yeah.
And so CloudBees wanted to find a vendor neutral home for Jenkins and Jenkins X. We also saw the opportunity to do that with Tecton and also with Spinnaker. So, these four open source projects came together because they all play in the CD space. Yeah. And there was a need for an organization to home all of these projects. So a lot of work was done. Google donated Tecton, CloudBees donated Jenkins and Jenkins X, and Netflix also donated Spinnaker. So those were the first four original incubating projects from the CD Foundation. And since 2019, March 2019 is when they originally formed the CD Foundation, we've been able to grow and add two new incubating projects, which are Screwdriver and Ortelius.
Yeah. Yeah. I've been seeing Tracy Reagan from Deploy Hub talk a lot about Ortelius on social media. So those are some neat ones to add to your system there. You got a lot going on there.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, we thought, and we still believe this, it's important for us to represent the entire pipeline. So, we're not just orchestration tools, as our latest addition, Ortelius, which is a microservice configuration management tool. We added that as well. So we're looking to see what other open source projects are out there and hopefully get them to join the CD Foundation.
Yeah. That's great to hear, these organizations kind of help start this and get it going. I know it is fairly recent, as you mentioned, that this kind of came about, but you guys have done a lot of work in that short time. So tell us a little bit about what events you guys have, Jacqueline.
Yeah. So, on a monthly basis, for example, we have the webcast program, and this is where we invite CDF members and ambassadors to come and talk about their expertise in the CD space. So those happen sometimes like 2 times a month or more, depending on speaker availability. But really, our biggest inaugural event was last year, which happened in October of 2020, and that is CDCon. We plan on doing CDCon again this year. We pulled it in a little bit earlier, and it'll be happening June 23rd and 24th, 2020. Cool. We're also hosting some co-located events, and we just secured Spinnaker Summit. So Spinnaker Summit will be a day 0 event happening this year in conjunction to CDCon. So we're super excited about that because, we're bringing the entire community to meet their peers, talk about technologies, position themselves as thought leaders or, meet thought leaders. This is all again virtually. So we're super excited, and we hope we are able to bring educational content to the community year over year with these programs.
Excellent. So you guys have a lot going on. You have some events coming up. Do you have any other big initiatives that you guys are working on, Jacqueline?
Well, one of our most successful programs that we launched in 2020 was actually the Pipeline, All
Mhm,
Things CD and DevOps podcast, which I
mhm,
host.
mhm,
So this year we're trying to ramp that up. Last year it was a little bit spotty on the, output. This
mhm.
year we're trying to publish an episode per week.
Yeah.
So this month already, like we actually had a really record setting month with one of our podcasts, which was 2021 technology trends and predictions,
Mhm.
which was hosted by myself, by me, and also we invited Michael Windsor from Google to come in and talk about what he thinks 2021 will offer the CD community.
Cool, cool, awesome. So you guys are going to put some more podcasts out, and
Yeah,
let's look forward to listening to more of that.
awesome. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, like I said, our goal is to publish an episode a week. So our episodes air Friday mornings. But yeah, we were really excited because that episode in 2 days got like 250 downloads.
Cool, awesome. Jacqueline, any closing thoughts?
For folks who are interested in participating in open source, I hope that they look to the CD Foundation. We have incredible community members who are always very welcoming and nurturing.
Hmm.
First, I want to let folks know you do not have to have a technical background. You do not have to be a techie or a coder or a developer to join an open source community. There are a ton of roles that folks can get engaged in, from writing to event planning, to being a speaker and sharing their knowledge, or being a community leader and organizer. Like I mentioned, you don't have to actually be a code contributor, but
Hmm.
there are a lot of other roles that the community can use to continue to grow the community health of each of these incubating and graduated projects. So that's one thing that I want folks to know about the CD
Yeah,
Foundation is, we welcome everyone.
yeah.
Also, one of the things that the CD Foundation is really focused on is diversity and inclusion.
Hmm.
So it's a big initiative for us. It's super super important for us. I just found out this morning that this CDCon 2020 actually won the gold badge from the Chaos Project, meaning that they recognize that our diversity lineup in speakers, in keynote speakers and session speakers, was outstanding.
Yeah.
We reached a certain percentage of representing minorities and women.
Hmm.
So that was a really proud moment for me because we worked
Yeah.
intentionally very hard to make sure that this is a safe space for everyone. We welcome everyone.
Hmm.
If things are not going the right way, then let us know, because it's important for us to be as open of a community as possible.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're doing a lot of that. We have a group for women called SheDF on
Hmm.
February 10th. We're hosting our first quarterly meeting.
Cool.
And we have Tara Hernandez from Google. We
Hmm.
have Zainab Abubakar from She Code Africa and
Hmm.
Jane Grohl from the DevOps Institute
Yeah.
coming in to present on how to
Wow.
level up your DevOps career.
Sounds like a great
Um,
group.
yeah, I'm
Yeah.
super excited, super proud of them. So, we're just doing a lot. It's hard to keep up with us, but that's one thing that I do want to give a shout out is to these speakers and to these women who made it a priority to make sure that the community is diverse and inclusive. So yeah, those are some of our things that are coming up as well. And, we welcome everyone. Don't
Hmm.
hesitate. Always reach out. If I myself can't greet you, trust me, we have 51 CDF community ambassadors who will take care of
Cool.
you and help you on your
Yeah.
journey to becoming a contributor to the CDF.
Awesome. Awesome. Jacqueline, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me. It's a pleasure.
On behalf of Jacqueline Salinas, I am Tom Hendrickson for the DevOps Online Summit.